Thing with money. Come here. Here is an observation test. You can see that the bigger value note, the 100 rupee note, is on the top and the 10 is at the bottom. You can check. Nothing fishy. Watch. Tell me what comes in your mind when I roll the note like this, like a small tube. What comes to your mind? Like some people, they like tell me that secret comes to their mind. Yeah, just hold on to the notes like this. So I will ask them to hold it like this. So they are holding the notes and I ask them which note was on the top. They say the 100 rupee note. Watch. I slowly open the notes and you can clearly see that the 10 is on the top and the 100 is on the bottom. Explanation of bill roll. So here is the requirement what you will need. You can see you need lot of money. No, I'm just kidding. You need only 2 notes which you can borrow. You can borrow 2 notes. One should be a lower value 10 or 20 and the other should be a bigger value 100, 500, 2000 will do. So the explanation is very simple. In the beginning, you should always keep the bigger note, the bigger value note, and it's also bigger in size on the top. So this starts on the top and this is on the bottom. It's kind of self-working. So you make so this is on the right and this is on the left, this is on the top and this is on the bottom. This is how it should be, then only it will work. So then you make it like a small tube. Just roll it like a small tube. Just keep rolling it and like tell them what comes into your mind, ask some question or something. So they think that they hold the notes like this with 2 fingers and then you unroll and this the 100 rupee comes on the top. But here is the secret. The secret is this. When you roll and roll and you ask them some question, you keep on rolling and see what happens here. You keep on but you hide it with your 4 fingers like this, but I am exposing it for explanation. So this is what happens. It comes like this, it comes here again. And now if I unroll it, watch. The 10 is on the top. So it's like self-working. I will do it quickly one more time. So watch. 100 on the top, roll. Roll, 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 go. And watch. This is the secret note which I will hide with my fingers, but for explanation I am doing it exposed. Watch. You see? The 10 comes on the top. It's like a self-working. It can be even a bad trick. Very good. Like you can do it. Just ask for 2 notes and you can do it. Perform for your friends.